What's going on? Happy Thursday to you guys. So in today's little lifestyle tip, I want to talk to you guys about routine and regularity. So I talked about it the other week where, what did I say? That we want to, a good way to organize your day is to kind of figure out how much time things are going to take roughly, so you get an idea, so you're not stressing and running around all day trying to figure out what the fuck can I do, basically. Along with that, one thing that we want to talk about is just having a good routine. And so trying to do things on certain days and keep that regularity and routine, because the body thrives off routine. I know some people are like, oh man, I hate routine. I don't want to do it. You know, it's just shit, blah, blah, blah. It's like, yeah, you say that, but also you do a lot of things that are routinized, all right? And routine is not a bad thing, okay? Like, some people feel like it's like a restriction or it's going to cause, I don't know, some type of hate. Like, I don't know what you feel like. It's going to make life less enjoyable. But routine gives you structure, and routine creates freedom. Routine creates freedom, okay? Because, like, you have shit you got to do in a day. Monday to Sunday. In a week, whatever it's going to be. If you can get a bit of a routine going, you get things done faster, you get things done more efficiently, you take away the stress of having to think about what you've got to do when, and then you have more mental capacity for the things that actually matter. Like, I know every morning, I wake up, bang, 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 bang. Like, I got little things I got to do, okay? I don't think about what I've got to do because I know my body just goes on autopilot. Like, I'm half awake doing half the shit. My body's just on autopilot because I've trained myself to be able to do that. You know, you start with something, you start doing it again and again and again, and it becomes autopilot. You don't think about certain things. You know, things that were once uncomfortable or hard become easier because you've turned it into a routine. And so I know like on the weekend, okay? Food shopping. Food shopping's done on a Sunday. Why? It's the day we have the most amount of time. Like, for me, this is me. It's the day we have the most amount of free time, okay? It's first thing in the morning because I don't have a busy Saturday. A busy Saturday night, I should say, sorry, or a late Saturday night. We're going to do food prep that day too. We like to do it first thing in the morning, and that way it sets me up for the week, because, you know, Sunday sets you up for the week, because like I don't want to say, and I know that if I food shop and I meal prep on a Sunday, I am sorting myself out for the week. So that's what happens on Sunday. I wake up, go and do my little exercise, whatever it's going to be. Angie's sleeping in, wakes up, it's about 8:30ish, give or take. We're getting there about 9:30, okay? Not like exactly got to be there at 9:30, but like we're going around that time. We do food shop and we come back, we then put the stuff in the fridge and whatever else. We leave whatever we've got to keep out to start the food prep. I take the bags, what are they called? The grocery bags back down to the car space. I come back up, Angie starts cooking, I start cleaning the house. It's basically just like monotony, you know, it's our Sunday. Because guess what? By lunchtime, done. Got whatever the fuck else we want to do for the day. I've got the routine there. You know, it's not like, oh, what are we going to do? What time are we going to go food shopping today? Okay, when are we going to cook? All right, and then we have to, you know, try and think about all those things. It's just like autopilot. And because it's autopilot, again, you get quicker and quicker at doing shit, and it makes life easier. You have more freedom, all right? So it's like, you know, if you've got things you got to do on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, or whatever it is, start to create that routine. Like for me, I've got certain things I do on certain days. You know, with you guys getting these podcasts, every Tuesday for me is a podcast recording day. I just know it, because guess what? Monday are my check-in days. So check-in days with clients. I shouldn't say it's my check-in days. It's day. Monday is check-in day. Every client has from Sunday morning to fill out the form until Monday morning. All my Monday is taken up by getting back to clients, right? That's my whole day dedicated for Monday. Tuesday is a podcast day, okay? Like, I do other shit, but I know every Tuesday I'll record a podcast. I know roughly what time I'm going to be recording it. And like my head space, I know, like, I've got to have a topic ready for Tuesday, right? I've got to be thinking about what that topic's going to include. I've got to make sure that I've booked out time for it. Like, so I know that at a 90-minute time frame on Tuesday, I'm recording, editing, uploading my podcast. No, like, and I just know. So then I know, like, it's like weirdly my brain just knows what to do on a Tuesday, basically. And so when we give ourselves more routine, again, now I've got free time. I'm not racking up trying to organize every single week, trying to figure out what am I going to do when, because I've got all these weekly tasks, like, you know, we have things we have to do in the week, and you're trying to, well, this week will I do this, this week will I do this. Same as gym. If you know you go to the gym Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 6 a.m., roughly, give or take, it just becomes autopilot. You just start driving to the fucking gym, and you're like, oh, I'm still kind of waking up. But you're at the gym, because you know it's just secondary nature. So start to work on building up those habits and create those routines, because routine creates freedom. And when you have more routine, like I said, with more freedom, it just makes life a little bit easier with some mental space. So, I hope that helped, and I'll speak to you guys next time.